On one hand, UK offers £100,000 as salary to an MBA graduate, which is equivalent to 1 crore Indian rupees. And on the other hand, in India, an MBA graduate earns around £28,000, which is equivalent to 25 to 30 lakh rupees. Second point is the acceptance rate. The top B schools in the UK have an acceptance rate of 7 to 8%. But to your surprise, in India, top B schools like IIMs have an acceptance rate of just 0.5%. Imagine. Third and the most important point is the job placement rate. The UK has a job placement rate of 96%, which is super crazy. And on the other hand, in India, it is just 70%. Fourth point is the course duration. Almost all the B schools in the UK offer 1-year MBA program, which gives you a faster career growth. On the other hand, India में majorly 2 साल के ही MBAs होते हैं. That means अगर तुम्हें अपना time बचाना है और ज़्यादा कमाना है, then UK is the right option for you. The only point taken by India is affordability. The top B schools in India are way affordable than the UK. But again, you can see the difference between the career growth and the salary packages. So if you've decided to study in India, all the best to you guys. And if you've decided to study in the UK, then comment below with UKTOP, UK top in the comment section, and we will DM you the list of the top B schools for your MBA in the UK.